Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Today I will share to you one Excel file. It will help you to practice about Excel function compilation. As you see, we have a table with number sequence and you have to filtering number in a sequence. The result is column B, as you see. Now I will show you how I filter number in this column. Okay. First of all, you download file I put in description below. You have this file and table. Now I will show you how I filtering number. In this cell, I input equal index open parenthesis array this string. Press F4 to lock this string, comma mask open parenthesis, lookup value 0, comma index again open parenthesis. In here I input count if open parenthesis rank B2 to B2. I will lock B2 first by press F4, comma criteria here A3 to A16 lock this string, close parenthesis, comma close parenthesis, comma 0 because we start with exact math, close parenthesis, press enter. You select the cell below and press Ctrl D to copy formula to below. To high NA, you input if error, comma input double quotation mark, close parenthesis. It means if NA screen display empty cell like this. So I already finished filtering number in a sequence. I think this request is hard because you have to compilation some Excel function to find result, and I think most people have to spend much time to find this way. You can refer my way to handle this request. If you see my video and this support is useful for you, please like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.